Good evening, everyone, and welcome along to Melbourne Cricket Ground. I'm Matthew Hill, and beside me in the commentary box is David Bashir. He's been keeping an eye on the weather forecast and observing the conditions out there.
Cricket is a complicated game to explain. To the uninitiated, it's a 11v11 game where a coin toss determines which team bats or bowls first. So for example, when team 1 bats, team 2 bowls to them, and vice versa in the second innings. The team with the highest batting score wins the game. Cricket has 3 different game modes, and we will be looking at the 50-over game format today. In today's scenario, we are batting second. Our rival team has scored 289 runs, so we need 290 to win the game. Our current scorecard reads at 120 for the loss of 4 wickets in 24 overs. So since this is a 50-over game format, we get a maximum of 50 overs to play with.
Big appeal there. The umpire likes that one. Gone.
Right, so now it's our turn to bat. Okay, let's think about how we are going to approach this game. And we will use math to help us. Let's recap what we know so far. We need another 170 runs in 26 overs. So the constant run rate we need to score at is 170 divided by 26, which will work it out about 6.5 runs per over. However, it is not easy to simply come to bat and score runs as freely. So we need time to adjust and play. So striking at this run rate is not going to be an easy task at all. We do know, however, that the more overs we play and we get settled in, the easier the run scoring will be for us. We plan to break this down into 3 stages. Stage 1 would be overs 25 to 30. Stage 2 would be overs 31 to 40. And stage 3 would be overs 41 to 50. Through our assessment and experience of the current game, we think we can score 25% faster in stage 2 and 50% faster in stage 3. For example, if we are scoring at 4 runs and over, it would mean that we think we can score 5 runs and over in stage 2 and 6 runs and over in stage 3. So what is the pace we should be going at currently in stage 1? Pause the video and work it out for yourselves first. Okay, so we have broken down our innings into 3 parts to achieve the remaining 170 runs. So the unknown is the rate at which we need to currently score at. So for ease of writing, we will mark the unknown as x, math loves x, in our equation. Therefore, the equation would look like x into 6 overs plus x into the next 10 overs multiplied by 1.25 since we go 25% faster, plus x into the last 10 overs into 1.5 since we go at 50% faster rate. All of these equal to 170. And therefore this will work it out to be at 5.1 runs and over. So in summary, in stage 1 we should go at 5.1 runs and over, stage 2 6.4, stage 3 7.6 runs and over. And this is actually more realistic for us and gives us the best possible chance to chase the score down successfully. Try it out on your next cricket game.